Hello everyone, in this video we'll be looking at how to replace the air filter on a STIHL brush cutter. The air filter's main function is to protect the engine from dust and dirt particles. If the air filter becomes severely damaged, the engine's power will decrease, fuel consumption will increase, and you will encounter significant starting issues. This also reduces the engine's lifespan. That's why we frequently check the air filter, and if it's not clean, we replace it immediately. Importantly, you don't need any special tools to perform this task. For maintenance tips, depending on how you use the brush cutter, if you use it very often, it's highly recommended to check the air filter regularly. A clean air filter will significantly improve engine performance, enhance fuel efficiency, and also extend the overall life of your machine. Step 1. You need to remove the top cover. To do that, first press this button, then remove the cover. Step 2 is to remove the old air filter. You'll need to press the old air filter like this to remove it. Normally, if your air filter only has a small amount of dust, you can simply tap it like this or blow on it quite hard to get rid of that lighter dust accumulation. However, if you take a look at this one, it's quite severely damaged. Therefore, it's absolutely necessary to replace it with a brand new one. Step 3 involves installing the brand new air filter. Install this new air filter in the same way you just removed the old one. It's on. Generally check whether it is fixed tightly or not. Step 4. Replace the top cover. After it is done, replace the top cover again. That's it. The air filter replacement is done. For genuine spare parts for your farming needs, visit our United agencies. If you like the videos, please like. If you find them useful, please share. For more tool maintenance videos, subscribe.